Make sure my curls are still cute. They're a little flat, but it's okay. Let's go and cover that up. Anyways, hey guys, it's Shania Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a sit down video, which is my very first sit down video. So I'm kind of excited. So if you can see by the title, I'm going to be talking about me and hair and give you guys a room tour of my hair room where I accept all my clients, where I do their hair, where they come to get slayed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and turn that notification bell on because you want to see when I post again. Let's get into this video. When did I start doing hair? So I always tell people that I started doing hair around December of 2018 when I really started accepting clients. And when I really started taking it serious, how did I start doing hair? So I started doing hair on myself in general, let's say it was August 2018. So it wasn't that far apart from when I actually started taking clients. August, September, October, November, December. 4 months. So yeah, it was around August and I wanted to do my hair for back to school. I wanted to wear a frontal. I was like, I need to learn. Like, I'm not about to keep paying all this money to get my hair done and I can just learn it and do it. And that's what I did. I learned it literally through YouTube. Like, I stayed home from the first day of school. My hair came in and I literally did my hair that day, bleached it, plucked it, barely knew what I was doing, remind you, and installed it. So the picture of how it looks right here. Yeah. So it's not terrible, but it's not it. Like that, I'm way better than that now, thank God. The hairline was thick. If you could look close up, the hairline was thick. And it just, I'm better. I'm just not at that place anymore. So that's why I started doing hair. How did I start doing hair? Well, I learned how to do it through YouTube, but how did I really start getting into it? I showed up to school and people were just like, who did your hair? Who did your hair? Now that I think about it, really wasn't even that good, but they were just like, who did your hair? And I was just like, me, and they were like, that looks good, like you should do my hair, like you need to start doing hair. Like, I was just getting so many feedbacks for like the whole 3 weeks I had that in, like that I should start doing people's hair, like start doing frontals in general. It was never nothing else, it was just frontals. Like I should just start doing other people's frontals. I was hearing it, I'm like, I can't see myself like doing hair, like that's not me. Like literally, I could not see myself doing hair. Like that was just not me. I wanted to model, I still do, but like that was my main goal. I was like, I cannot see myself doing hair. And like, it's just like when you hear all these people telling you something at once and you don't take their advice, or like you just, everybody's saying the same thing. My mom was saying, my family was saying, everybody was saying the same thing. Do hair, start doing people's hair. People are liking your hair, do it. It's like, what are you waiting on? Like, take their advice, you know what I mean? Like, God is, like, it's right here in front of you, like, it's right here. So that's what I did. I took it and I ran with it. I took what they said and literally went off, and it ain't failed me yet. It has not failed me since. So I remember I probably like a good month and a half later, 2 months, honestly don't know how long it took me to really take what they said and start. I think it was probably like a good month and a half after I posted a poll. It was like, I showed videos of my hair and I was just asking people like, would you let me do your hair? And I got so much feedback saying yes, like they liked how my work looked. So I'm like, okay. And I posted a special 2 days later. And I was having a special for models. So I was like, models, you know, pay like a certain deposit and let me like, you know, try to style on you. Like that's what models, like that's how it works, you know? So I was like asking for models, you know, limited seats, models for frontals, closures, regular sew-ins. And those were the 3 things that I was really focused on. So I will post a picture of my frontal install on somebody. And just wait, before we look at this, just know that we all start somewhere. Like Like, this picture is gonna be a little horrific. Horrific. But we all gotta start somewhere, you know? So here's the first picture of my first frontal install is somebody else. And it wasn't it. Like, that wasn't it. When I tell you the lace is like wrinkled in the front, like I didn't even literally like make it secure on her head. The baby hairs were too long. It wasn't flat. And yeah, after that, I created a hair page. I started promoting myself and I started accepting clients. So, another question I get asked by my clients is like if I want to do this full time. And a couple months ago, if you were to ask me the same question, I would say no, because I didn't want to do it full time. I was like, I want to model, I want to do hair on the side, but I don't want to do hair full time. And now, if you used to ask me that question, yes, no doubt about it. Like, I want to be a full celebrity stylist, like a full-on slaying hair stylist. I want to have my own shop in multiple states, multiple cities. Have I ever thought about quitting hair? Yeah, plenty of times. I've thought about quitting plenty of times, and the only reason why I've thought about quitting is either if I'm too slow or I'm too busy. In a way, it works when you're a hairstylist and you're like trying to come up. You can have really, really busy weeks and really, really slow weeks. Like, you can have 6 clients one week and next week have 1, or the next week have 0. If you have something that you really like are passionate about, don't stop grinding. Like, keep speaking into existence, manifest it. Trust me, like, I'm gonna just show you something right here. I told myself that I gotta be the greatest. Like, I gotta get better at doing hair. I just wanna get better. And within a year, I'm gonna just show you the very first client that I did to now. Same type of look, the same middle part. I tried to achieve the same type of curls. I tried to leave the baby hairs the same. And the colors were the exact same. So just look at this. Just look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you see it. I know. You don't have to tell me. I know. Trust me, like, I put in so much work through here. I just went to a hair class with my favorite stylist, Erica J. And, like, I can only get better. I think it's time for y'all to see my beauty room, my hair room, my baby, my creation. What I've created, what I've built, what I've decorated. Put my hard work, sweat, and tears into this space. Every time I do hair, every time I'm in it, every time I look at it, like, it's just inspiration to me of where I can go in the future. So yeah, let's go ahead and let you see this room. Just let you see this room, okay? Okay.